Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with EQ Bank Canada. Review my high-interest savings experience. EQ Bank Canada offers a high-interest savings account and other banking services primarily aimed at Canadians looking to maximize their savings returns. Key features include a competitive interest rate, no monthly fees, and easy online access. Their website provides details on their various account options and services. EQ Bank emphasizes its simple, transparent pricing with no hidden fees and no minimum balance requirements. They also highlight their user-friendly online platform and mobile app, making it easy to manage your finances on the go. They position themselves as a modern alternative to traditional banks, offering a more streamlined and digital banking experience. You can check their website for details on how to open an account and eligibility requirements. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using EQ Bank. Getting started was incredibly easy. I applied online and my account was approved within a couple of business days. The entire process was digital, which was a huge plus for me. Navigating the interface is super intuitive. The dashboard clearly displays your balance, transaction history, and interest earned. Transferring money between my other bank accounts and EQ Bank was a breeze. I even set up automatic transfers for a portion of my paycheck each month. The whole platform feels very modern and responsive. Performance-wise, I haven't experienced any issues. Everything loads quickly, and the mobile app is just as smooth as the desktop version. I had a quick question about setting up a recurring transfer, and their support team responded within a day via email with clear instructions. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, and the standout feature for me was definitely the competitive interest rate. One minor drawback I noticed is that they don't offer joint accounts yet, which is something I might need in the future. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with EQ Bank. It's a great option for anyone looking for a simple, high-interest savings account with a smooth digital experience. That's my overview of EQ Bank Canada. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.